And many of Wales' leading charities have backed the Labour Party's campaign against Westminster legislation meant to control political lobbying.
The charities say it threatens legitimate political campaigning and they don't think government concessions go far enough. Owain Phillips reports.
As conflict and hunger rages across many parts of the world, charities are facing mounting pressure on their resources. But now they fear proposed legislation aimed at tackling political lobbying could affect their work.
Well, Oxfam has been very worried that the effect of this bill would be to gag civil society organisations, so that's charities, that other organisations, from talking about things that affect the people that we work with.
They met in Cardiff today to voice their opposition, but the UK government say they've listened and made changes. The lobbying bill would also impact on trade unions. And as the TUC met in Bournemouth, Shadow Welsh Secretary Owen Smith denied Labour was simply defending the union's ability to help Labour at election time.
There's no coincidence that they've tabled this bill to be debated in Parliament on the very week of the TUC. It was a political bill from start to finish, and it's been exposed as such.
Labour's leader, Ed Miliband, has said he wants to end unions automatically signing up members to join his party, even though it could impact on his party's finances.
Surely if the opt-in system with Ed Miliband doesn't work, you'll be more dependent on the unions, more dependent for big cash donations, won't you?
Well, I think this is slightly separate from the bill, but we need to see exactly what the Labour Party is going to propose in the interim report that's coming out at party conference in Brighton in a fortnight's time.
Ed Miliband will address these delegates in Bournemouth tomorrow, where undoubtedly Labour's funding will be under scrutiny. Owain Phillips, ITV News.